working on this Bronco right here that has this gorgeous green paint and these wonderful hand-built and installed fender wells or fender extensions. And now we're working on the inside to change out the dash. If you've ever thought about different ways that you might want to make your dash look, then here's an idea for you. We're going to do this with a walnut veneer. And we're going to put this walnut veneer right here on this dash, over this section of the dash, and then install the instrument clusters on top of that. In addition, we've made some other walnut pieces that are going to go on the doors and the floor. But when we're done, it's going to have this dark green with this brown walnut, and it's going to have a real great looking beige interior that's going to match up with all this. It's going to be a gorgeous Bronco when we're done. So watch for our episodes on this Bronco, because we'll clue you in on how we go about doing this as the process goes along to get this walnut veneer to stick to this dash. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my YouTube site and follow the episodes on this Bronco.